my lovelies. In today's video, we are going to go through what is in my skincare fridge that I got for Christmas. It is a 15-liter Kaluli skincare fridge that I got for Christmas. It has 3 shelves in the actual fridge part and 2 shelves in the door. So let's go ahead and get into what I have in here. So the first thing I have in the door is some Hydrogel eye masks. I use these to help with under eye puffiness or hydration up under the eyes. I have my peach moisturizing lip masks. Those I ordered from a small business. And I have an assortment of sheet masks. I have a hemp seed oil one, an anti-collagen, a cucumber and aloe, a rose, vitamin C, jasmine. I have a Cosmic Shimmer holographic mask, a 24 karat gold foil face mask, an illuminating pearl, and the last one I have is Bright All Night by Tula. So set those back in the door. Now, in the top shelf of the door is where I keep my skincare tools. So, like my gel eye pads that I use. Those are done. These are Kiwi. My gua sha tool. My jade rollers. And this one I use for under my eyes. Put those back. And then in the main part of the fridge, I have all of my moisturizers, my serums, a couple of other face masks and skincare items, lip masks. So let's go ahead and get into it. I have my vitamin C serum, my hyaluronic acid and collagen facial serum, my revitalizing eye cream, my e.l.f. Holy Hydration Face Cream with Hyaluronic Acid and Peptide Complex. I have the Milani Rose Butter Lip Mask. In the very back, I have a e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer that I just stand up in the back. I have a Del Fonte Milano Collagen with Black Pearl and Red Algae Gel Sculpting and Lifting Day Cream Collagen. I have my regular collagen moisturizer that I'm currently using. My other eye cream, Olay Active Hydrating Original Cream. Hold on, I dropped something. My water blending lip mask. My Bulgarian Rose Overnight Sleeping Cream. Sorry about that. Then I have my Murad Rapid Age Spot and Pigment Lightening Serum. My Mary Kay Night Solution Serum. And the last thing on the first shelf is my Maria Badescu Enzyme Cleansing Gel. This is the cucumber one, I believe. And I do have the matching facial mist somewhere, but it's not in here. So the next serums I have a Retinol Night Serum with White Pearl capsules. My 24 karat gold serum, my hyaluronic pearl serum, and then 2 gel face masks. One is a rose and then the other one is a collagen. I have a rose face mask by Fresh, Milani Avocado Butter Lip Mask. I can reach to the back. I have my Cosmetics Pure C Vitamin C Mixing Crystals. my Pores No More Anti-Aging Mattifying Lotion, my Freeman Feeling Beautiful Hydrating Glacier Water and Pink Peony Gel Cream Mask, my Dr. Brandt Overnight Resurfacing Serum, and I have an Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream and Mary Kay Microdermabrasion to replenish. So that's all that I have in my skincare fridge, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you, my lilies, in my next video. Bye.